We're looking at gas prices in Houston, Texas as a function of years since 2005. We want to find a linear regression equation for this data. So years since 2005 is our input, price per gallon is our output. And we come over here into our calculator and we generate our graph, and we notice that there it is. There are our data points. This is years since 2005, and this is the price per gallon. So we actually notice that the price per gallons have been kind of jumping all over the place. For a while they were going up, dropped down to 217 and went back up to 259. So it's hard to say whether we think the trend is upwards or linear or not, but since we're asked to do this, we will. Does it appear the data points fit well? Probably not really. It looks kind of scattered about and hard to say that this is a linear trend in the price per gallon as the years pass by. And we want to look at our R-squared value. Well, our R-squared value is actually 0.06, or about 0.07, so it's only a 7%. It only scores a 7%. It's pretty bad. So this also says it's a really terrible fit. We can still talk about it, though. We know that our equation, so let's call this price and we'll call this years. Our price as a function of years is going to be 0.048. Excuse me, we'll write our initial value first. So our initial value is 2.40 plus our rate of change, which is we'll say 0.05 times y. The rate of change is 0.05, and its units, since this is a rate of change, this is the change in output over the change in input, which is, in this case, the change in input is 1, and this is dollars per year. So we can say that on average, the price per gallon went up by 5 cents per year. Now, obviously, these values are all over the place, so I don't know how accurate this is, but we can find it nonetheless. According to the model, when will gas prices reach $4? So we want the price, we want this thing here to be $4. So when does 240 plus 0.05y, when does that equal $4? So we subtract 2.4, gives us 1.6 equals 0.05y. And now we divide by 0.05. And we get, let's see here, so this is going to be, I think we get 32 equals y, telling us that 32 years after 2005, so that would be 2005 plus 32, looks like in 2037, if the prices go up by 5 cents per year, we would expect that the prices would reach $4. What are gas prices expected to be in 2013? Well, that corresponds to a year value of 8, since that's 8 years after 2005. And P of 8 is $2.40 plus 8 increases of 5 cents per year, which will put us at $2.80.